In December 2025, the global semiconductor ecosystem came together in Dubai, a city rapidly positioning itself as a hub for advanced technology, innovation, and semiconductor development. Government leaders, global manufacturers, and regional engineers gathered with a shared goal: to grow and strengthen the region's semiconductor ecosystem. This was not a trade show, but a focused platform designed to enable collaboration, alignment, and long-term industry growth. Across 2 days, conversations went deep, from edge AI and secure memory to RF systems, power electronics, and AI data center infrastructure. Live demonstrations brought technologies and roadmaps into focus, giving engineers direct access to the expertise behind today's leading semiconductor solutions. Design challenges were explored in real time, questions answered, decisions accelerated, because meaningful progress happens when the right people meet at the right time. McKinsey Electronics is proud to have hosted this Engineering First, region-focused platform. One event, one place, one platform.